Hi, good morning. I'm Trison Thomas, teaching the computer for class 4th, and we are laying the last class more on word processing. This is our chapter. So I given homework 4 questions. Now we are going to explain the answers. Is it? So first, we will take the questions. What is formatting text? What are the shortcut keys for making text bold and italics? How many text alignments options are available in MS Word? What is the print preview and describe the shortcut keys for printing? Clear? So these are the questions and all of you follow the answers. So the first question, what is formatting a text? In MS Word, formatting means arrange the text with margin size, headings, punctuations and alignment. Is it? For capital letters, if you want to make capital, and if you want to make smaller letters, a smaller case. So that means all the text gets aligned with the styles of text and punctuation. Clear? This helps the users to read the document much easier. If you are arranging the text proper manner, those users could able to read attractive ways and very easier ways. Is it? If you are making the text, one is the left side and one is the right side, the users get confused. Where is the paragraph? Where is the text? Is it? So that purpose we are using formatting text. What are the shortcut keys for making the text bold and italics? We already learned last class for CTRL plus I for italics and CTRL plus B for making the text thicker, bold. In MS Word, making the text bold letter using Control plus B, CTRL plus B, and for italics, make the text tilt to the right, it is called italics. Letter use Control plus I combination keys. Clear? Then third question, how many alignments options are available in MS Word? In MS Word, there are 4 alignments. The first one is left alignment, second one right alignment, center alignment, and the final justify. Is it? The left alignment means take the text according to the left margin. So all the text position become left based. And if you are choosing right alignment, all the text take according to the right margin and it's arranged. And if you are choosing center alignment, headings, is it? If you are presenting a document, you are making the text as a heading that we need to place on the center position, that is called center alignment. And the last one, justify alignment, it take both margin, left and right, and give appropriate space in between text, is it? So you could see left margin also in arrangement and the right margin also gets arranged in proportion of space in between text. That is called justify alignment. What is print preview? Describe the shortcut keys for printing. Is it? In MS Word, print preview helps to review the document before taking the printout. It is also helping the users to avoid the waste of printing paper and make the correction of the document. The keyboard shortcut for printing, the combination is CTRL plus P, P for print, is it? So the function keys are CTRL plus P for making the print of a document. Clear? So print preview helps the users to understand is any mistake made on the document. Maybe the text arrangement, maybe the text positioning, paragraph spacing, line spacing, and text alignment, right or left. Clear? So that we can correct with the help of print preview. Now we are going to learn exercise part. The first question, which of the following is used to increase the thickness of selected text? What is bold? Bold means make the text thicker, is it? So first question answer is B, A, option bold. Then the term alignment refers to alignment. We already said that it's align the text appropriate the margin position, is it? So position of the text is the answer. So we select answer A. CTRL plus E, align the text, is it? What is the shortcut key for center alignment? CTRL plus E. So the answer is A, alignment, center alignment. Then the term italics means, I already told you that italics means tilt the text to the right side, is it? So the text that is tilt. The answer is B. Then the keyboard shortcut for left alignment. We already learned in the last class, CTRL plus L, that helps the position of the text according to the margin. Which margin? Left margin. So CTRL plus L stands for the answer. Clear? Then fill in the blanks. Justify, length, font, appearance and left. That are the hints. The dash dialog box contains variants of font formatting options in the font tab. We already told that font group, is it? You can see font group, there you can see various text formats, is it? Text styles, text sizes, clear? That is in the font group. So the answer is font group. In the term of formatting refers to changing the dash of the text, is it? Changing the style of text. Style means appearance, is it? The answer, appearance. The dash option aligns the text from both left and right margin of the page. Justify, is it? Justify does the alignment according to the left margin and right margin and position the text in a space, is it? So left margin and right margin get accordingly aligned with the help of justify. The answer A, justify. The dash alignment is the default alignment of the word. In Word document, when you type any text, by default it's aligned the left alignment. Default alignment of Word application, it's called left alignment. Line spacing refers to space between dash. We cannot say that paragraph, is it? I already said the last class. Line space means it's the space between line, first line and second line. We need to choose the first line, then choose Home tab, choose line spacing icon, is it? That particular line spacing icon we can select. So here I am choosing first selector. This is the line spacing from the paragraph group and choosing 3. What happens? The space of the two texts become higher, is it? If I am choosing low values, it gets short, the line spacing. Clear? Then we are moving to true or false. See, the font face size and color options are available in the Home tab. Font group is available on the Home tab. So that is true. The italic option tilts the text. Italic means tilts the text to the right, is it? So the answer is true. Pressing Ctrl plus R will bring you the backstage view of Word to 2003 to print the document. What is the shortcut P for printing the document? CTRL plus P. So then this answer is false. Pressing CTRL plus U underlines the text. Yes, when you are lined, underline, we choose CTRL plus U for underline the text. Pressing Ctrl plus R will center align the highlighted text. The text which is selected, pressing Ctrl plus R, it's only aligned to the text the right side. So the answer is false. Then we are going to the option D, match the columns. Is it? CTRL plus J aligns the text along. The answer, justify is both left and right margin. Is it? So the answer is left and right margin of the pages. Then setting the line space is done through. So line spacing where we get from the Home tab, paragraph group, is it? So the answer is paragraph group. Print preview means view how the printout will look like. If any mistake we can correct from the print preview option. So that's why we choose the print preview. That answer is view how the printout will look like. Keyboard shortcut to print the document. So the answer is CTRL plus P, is it? That is the function key, the shortcut key used to get printout faster, is it? Then paragraph spacing can be set through the page layout tab, is it? Paragraph we need to set after and before. That only placed on the page layout tab. So the answer, page layout tab. Then you will answer the following. First question, how will you set the paragraph spacing before, after paragraph in Word document? Is it? We already learned that when you select the text, we need to go to the page layout tab on the paragraph group. We can select after or before. Then the text gets, the paragraph gets space in between two paragraphs. Is it? First paragraph and second paragraph. We position the text after or before area. Then select after or before the text paragraph gets spaces. Is it? So paragraph in MS Word, paragraph spacing is the space before and after a paragraph. For setting, please follow the steps. Select the area of paragraph where needs a space. Click on the page layout tab. Choose before and after from paragraph group. Once set the value, maybe we set 3, 4, 6. According to that space we get. If you setting minus, the paragraph gets printed. Is it? So the both paragraph get a value of space. That is our first answer. Now we are going to the second answer. What are the different kinds of text alignment described? We already learned there are 4 types of alignment. In word processor helps to align to text based on margin. There are 4 types of alignment. They are CTRL plus L. That means left alignment. This aligns the text to the left margin of the page. The text, under the text which you selected, it's taken and aligned on the basis of left margin. Right alignment, that is CTRL plus R. This aligns text to the right margin of the page. If you select the enter text and hit CTRL plus R, what happens? The text on the left margin moves to the right margin and gets arranged on the right margin base. Then center align. If you are typing a text as a header, we need to place on the center position. So we select the text and hit CTRL plus E. The text gets positioned on the center of the margin. Clear? Then justify. That means take both left and right margin and proportionate your word. Is it? That is called the align text based on the left right margin of the page. That is justify, the shortcut key CTRL plus G. Then third question. What is the use of print preview? That we already learned. Print preview helps the users to review the document and do change if required, such as text format, alignments and spelling and grammar correction before taking the final printout. While this function also helps to avoid number of papers getting waste. That is the main concern. If you print without formatting a proper formatting a text document, the project submission time they get rejected. You are not properly arranged. You are not really properly arranged your document. That submission gets dismissed. Is it? So the fourth question: how you print a document in MS Word 2003? That we already did. We can use the shortcut key CTRL plus P. Either we can go to the file tab. There you could see print. We choose that. So first, in MS Word, initiate the user to take the print out of their Word document using print function. Please follow the steps. The first step: open the document which you want to take the print out. Is it? You have prepared many documents, so which one you want to take the print out? You select that particular Word document and open that. After that, click the file tab, choose print option. Print preview appears on the right side. If you are using 13, 2016, 2019 Word, latest Word application, you can see when you hit the print button, the right side gets print preview. If you are using 2010, 2007 Word applications, that only gets when you hit file tab, print, then you can see print preview option. Then click there, you can review your text format and alignment, text styles, everything. And after correction, you can take the final printout. Clear? Then select the desired printer. When you hit the print option, you will get a print dialog box. There, first you need to select the name of the printer. Then choose the number of pages. How many pages you want to print? Is it 10 pages, 1 to 10, or 1 to 2, or 1, 3, 5, or 1, 6, 5? It depends on your preference. What are the pages you want to print out? Choose those print option. Then select the desired printer. Choose the number of pages. Then select the value of based on side orientation. That is, if you want to make the pages print out landscape mode and portrait mode. What is landscape and portrait? That says that if your text is in a A4 size page, this is in portrait mode. If you are tilt the text, I will show you. Your page is on now portrait mode. If you want to make the page in landscape mode, on the page layout tab, you could see orientation, landscape. So the text, page width increase and the height reduce. Is it? If you are making portraits, the page height increase and page width reduce. Clear? So landscape and portrait means the height is higher and landscape means the width is higher. Simple things. Clear? So we can make, if you are preparing a list of people, their destination, their reach, their age, and rest of things, that time you need a width page, is it? So that time you need to make the orientation is landscape mode. So that is it. We need to select the orientation and number of copies. If you want to present 3 or 5 people, we need to take printed of that much copies, 5 copies, 2 copies, depends on your request. Clear? Then finally press the print button. You can see there is a print button. When you hit, the print gets on the printer. Clear? So hope you all learned these questions and you are doing homework at home and you are writing the answer to the following and exercise question on your original copy book. Is it? So thank you so much.